I try to be as honest as I can. That campsite and that night of camping kind of sucked. I think my hopes of getting any kind of breakfast are gone. All right, real talk, people. I was just aggravated on every little thing. Sleep well, eat well. We about got this BDR-X whipped. Prairie dog on the road. Run, buddy, run. Watch out, first step. It's a doozy. Now that's a view right there. Yeah, we're gonna have to go check this out. I guess it makes sense that they still man these fire towers, but I don't know where we come from it. I guess we have fire towers, but I guess we just don't have the wildfires they have out west. So I'm turned around and I'm coming back because I just saw a really great shot of the actual buttes on the top of that mountain that I really like. Buffalo in the street. That's a big old buffalo. It's good enough to jump in. There is a beach over there. Heller Road. Let's head towards those rocks. Sounds like a great idea. Ride right, fellas. Plenty of road. Starting to get pretty cool up in here. Iron Creek Tunnel. So those are the buttes that I was taking pictures of back there. Man, if this is what it's like on a Tuesday, I wouldn't want to be here on a Sunday. This is awesome. How about that? Yeah. You can see why this is a busy road. Now we're passing over to the other side. Pretty spectacular. The cathedral spikes. Cathedral spires. Just look at it. There's the big tunnel over there. My intention was to get the drone out and have me coming out, but it's just way too busy to be safe. So we're just going to enjoy it. Get through. You're good. I can go around you. Busy, busy place. Get there about 7 in the morning. That'd be the way to do that. Yeah. Would love for that footage to be just me. That's how, even when it's not just me, I'll cut out a lot of that stuff, you know, to make it look a little more serene, the good and bad of tourists, you know. You want to have these things to come and see, but they bring a lot of other people that want to come and see things too, and that's fine. I think they should have just cut the hole in that mountain for me. Yeah, that Needles Highway was pretty incredible. Would love to see it again and again and again. But let's face it, this right here is my cup of tea. My cup of tea is a road of dirt. What we got going on here? A little trickery, huh? Huh. They couldn't just made a one-lane bridge out of it? pretty neat. Hey, presidents, see them? They got a nice view. Look at this. Look at this view. All right, here we go. Buck. Oh, right into a tunnel. How about that? Too cool. Well, we have about wrapped up the BDR-X Blackhills edition. And boy, didn't we have a ton of fun. While I would say if you only have the week that I had to take this trip, I'd take it. But if you can avoid the week leading up to Sturgis, it might be a little less busy. I actually thought about heading up to the Crazy Horse Memorial, but I just got to be honest with myself. I'm super duper tired. I wouldn't mind getting back home a day early so I could have a day off and actually rest from the vacation, so to speak. So I think I'm just going to kind of ease my way back. We have had a blast. That was a weird group. A Harley, a GS, a dual sport, and a three-wheeler. Scoville Johnson Tunnel. I thought there was the Needles Tunnel and that was it. I had no idea that there was going to be, well, gosh, it's had to have been 7 or 8 tunnels by now. I swear I just saw that guy up on the curve with the girl on the back. This has been a great ride and we still got a long way to get home. But in the meantime, I hope you enjoy this little rendition of what's happened on the BDRX Black Hills. This is it, y'all. This is the final road, section 3. Well, this is it. This is the start of, well, it starts in Keystone, but this is the end of section 3. I did it, everybody. Woohoo me! Hope you guys enjoyed this route. We got more to come. We got to get home yet. There'll be a little bit there, maybe some surprises, so stick around for that. But this will be the end of the BDRX Black Hills.